it's Chef Maia, the famous chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia! Everything's good! 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 Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. So today we will be making pico de gallo. So I am making this recipe because in my black bean and poblano fleta recipe thingy, in that episode, I did say I was gonna make like a little tiny video on how to make pico de gallo and some guacamole. Wait, sorry. So, what we will need for pico de gallo is an onion, a Roma tomato, or just, any tomato really, some lime, and scallions. And our materials are a knife, cutting board, or a silicone mat, a mixing bowl, a small mixing bowl. I have a medium size because I couldn't find a small one. And then, the vegetable thingy. I forgot what it was called, but you'll need that anyways. So, let's just get started. So, first what we want to do is get our produce, put in here, and, open this up real quick. Well, don't do that, but alright guys, now that you're done washing your vegetables, what you want to do is get your tomato. Alright, now that we're in peace and quiet, alright, so what you want to do with your tomato is dice it. So, I want to show you how to dice a tomato. So, I'm going to cut here. Cut like strips, so it's like this. So keep doing that. Keep doing that for each one. That's done. You want to start cutting vertically in like this, make little strips inside of the tomato we just cut. Then once you get those dice pieces, and then cut them into squares. So cut the other trims into squares and put them in a pile right over there. So, keep doing that with all your tomato strips, and I'll see you guys next. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just finished dicing up my tomatoes. Once you're done, we'll go ahead and put them in this bowl. So just slide them in that bowl. Then let's go on with the next step. Next, what we want to do, let's do one of the easiest things first again. Half the lime. So just have it in there. Just keep that to the side for now, and let's go on to the next one. So, I would say the onion one is the hardest part because, the eyes and all that stuff, so we're just going to go on, do the scallions first. So, the the scallions you want to cut off. Wait, let me put this in. The scallions, let me show you. You want to cut off the hairy thingy part. Then throw it away. And then what you want to do now is I'm just going to chop this whole part off. Alright, now you're stuck with this. So you want to thinly slice them. So like this. And just do that all the way through. And then when you get to the double part, you could hold them both together. Cut. And there. So I'm going to do the next one. Cut. I'll cut this part too. Cut and throw it away. And then cut again. And if yours has more than like 2, this one has 3. Just do the same thing. Doesn't really matter how many, the number and all that stuff. And there. So after we, are done with that, we want to put our scallions in here. So it looks like this now. Now next what we want to do is, wait a second, guys. Alright. Sorry about that. We don't need the onion. So just take the onion away. And yeah. So I was just looking at a recipe because I'm sorry my sister came down and started making a lot of noise. But anyways, you want to mix this all in. Then you want to get your lime and squeeze some juice. All the juice. Once that's done, you want to mix it in, season with some salt and pepper. Then mix that all in. And there you have it, your pico de gallo. Now you can top this off on the flat does different things. You could put nachos in it and all that stuff. Everything that you want to do with it. So yeah, that's how you make pico de gallo. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And yeah, so please subscribe and like. And have a great day. Bye.